how did you come to find Dr. Wolfson and work with him in the first place? What led you to us?
I was in the emergency room actually twice in December 2019. I've had a history of heart palpitations and inappropriate sinus rhythm. Tachycardia is what I was diagnosed with. But back in December, I was having the arrhythmias or palpitations like about every 5 to 7 minutes. Mm-hmm. So that's how I landed in the emergency room. And they basically said that I needed to take a calcium channel blocker or a beta blocker, and I did not want to. I knew there was a root cause for this. So I went home and I Googled naturopathic heart doctor, and he popped up, and I found out that you guys were in my backyard.
Yeah, there aren't too many of them, so you totally lucked out being in Arizona where we are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really lucked out because he's a regular cardiologist that is more natural, so it's a huge blessing.
Yeah, he's one of a kind for sure. And since working with Dr. Wolfson, how has that changed the scenario for you and improved your symptoms and your life? And tell us a little about that.
Well, so for the last 15 years, I've had palpitations, and it was actually the last 7 years that it turned into the tachycardia, which really scared me. So when I met Dr. Wolfson, he said, you probably have leaky gut, took all the tests. He was right. I went on his supplements, and I went on a pretty strict paleo diet, and within 3 weeks, so I was going from every 5 to 7 minutes heart palpitations, and within 3 weeks, I remember it was the third week of January, I wasn't getting any, or there were like a few, and probably the first week of February, I had none, and now it is August, so 6 months later, I haven't had any palpitations. The anxiety went away. Usually life-changing for everything, for career, relationships, because I can travel now. I'm healthy, and I'm excited and super grateful.
Yeah, well, we're so happy to have you as a patient, and working with people like you who have these amazing success stories is what it's all about.